Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I came to check public markdown sale in Beverly Hills. They have a lot of shoes compared to Costa Mesa. So I got some shoes from this Beverly Hills branch. Also they had a lot of jacket, so many ready-to-wear stock. Which one is your favorite? There were many skirts and pants as well. Oh my god, see this tweed jacket? So fancy. Also, there were dress section. I love their dress. This white dress is my favorite. Oh my god. And love tweed dress. Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do Chanel haul from markdown sale. Some are from VIP markdown sale and some are from Beverly Hills branch. I visited separately just to check the public markdown sale. So I visited like 3 branch. So among 3 branch, I will talk about how different it was. So as you watch it from my previous video, markdown sale is twice a year, and for VIP, it was last week, May 22, and public markdown sale was May 25th. It seems like whole week, if there's a stock, you can still ask any SA salesperson and try to get some item. Either it's a VIP sale or public sale. So you can try to text or contact your salesperson and then ask them the item you want. If there's another size, another color, they're gonna check the stock and they can get you. Yeah, you can still try this week, I would say. I visited Costa Mesa last week for VIP markdown sale. So these clothes, so I tried on the day, but I was not sure. So I was thinking, and after I come back home, I texted my SA saying that actually I like that dress. So can you check the size, check my size, if it's available, I am willing to buy. So she said, I don't need to come all the way to the Costa Mesa. They can ring, they're gonna send a link by email, then you can pay by your credit card, whatever, and then they're gonna send you the item. So it came by, I think, UPS or FedEx. Yeah, it came by UPS, I think. It was delivered in like 3 days. This is so beautiful. I was so lucky to get. And these 2 are shoes. There are 3 branch I visited. One, Costa Mesa, I got ready to wear. The other 2 was I visited on May 25th, which is markdown sale. I really wanted to check Beverly Hills branches. So there are 2 branch in Beverly Hills. One is a temporary store on Beverly Hills. It used to be in Rodeo. So it's a Rodeo branch in Beverly Hills, but not on the same spot. They are like under the construction, renovating, I think. And the other one is in Neiman Marcus in Beverly Hills. They didn't have a lot of stuff. You know, it's a department store. So if you go for department store branch for Chanel, they usually have a shoes section separately in shoe like first floor. So you have to check separately. But when I checked Neiman Marcus Beverly Hills branch, they didn't have any shoe available with my size at all. They don't have any stock. They said this year they don't have many stock left. Maybe it was really selling well last year, I guess. So they couldn't have many. So I couldn't have any choice at all to try. So I went to another Beverly Hills store. It's pretty big. They have a pretty good selection and pretty many stock for the shoes and ready to wear. But they didn't have a really like jewelry. Jewelry there was like 3-4 piece, which is like too extravagant style, which you can't wear daily. So no jewelry available. No jewelry like really something to buy. So I was checking shoes and I was telling my size to my SA in Beverly Hills, and she was really kind and then she found my size. So I got 2 shoes. Actually this is same kind, same design, but different color. So I'll show you. So let me open one last ready to wear I got. So this one I got delivered, and I paid by email by getting link. Even though you didn't buy on the day, there's a still chance if there's a stock. So they are willing to sell like whole week. So you can try. It was actually came in the big flat box, like this shape box. Let me bring the box to show you. Yeah, this is the box. Too big, I would say. Anyway, it came in this box. And inside there is, I think this is a receipt. You can guess from the previous video because I tried like, I don't know, 5-6 dresses. So among those, I chose one. which was very feminine, very cute. Oh, by the way, items you buy from Markdown, it's final sale, so you can't return or you can't exchange. Or sale, final. No refund or exchange. Just make sure, yeah, you buy the one you really want to keep, okay? Yeah. Ta-da. The Chanel CC logo, eyelet, punching. Yeah, I love this detail. So feminine. It was very light. I like this kind of summery dress, you know, perfect for summer. So I got this one from Costa Mesa. There was only one, so I had to get it. No other. So this one was size 36. I like this detail. Oh my god, see this? And the banding on the waist side. And here, I love this skirt side as well. And the bag is like same. Yeah. Back side. Oh my god, the strap is so pretty. So it was, original price is 3,700, but you know, it's a 40% off, so it became 2,200 something, yeah, before tax. So it was more than, I said more than like 1,500. It's a really good deal. Yeah, so I really love this dress, and then I'm gonna go for the shoes. But before that, let me quickly check the material. 60% viscose and 40% paper. I don't know if this paper is what the material exactly. Very lightweight, perfect for summer. So let me open these two boxes from Beverly Hills I got. You can still try, because I think whole week if there's stock, they're gonna sell. But you need to really be there. So you need to visit at least once and check their stock. I really recommend you to visit another branch as well, because all store has different stock. But your SA salesperson can actually able to get from another store if you have really like a good relationship with SA. So you don't need to worry too much. If you know what is there, you can check with your SA and they can get you. You don't need to actually go to another store if your SA can get you what you want. They're gonna send you a list you can buy, and they're gonna deliver to you. So it's gonna be so easy breezy once you set up. So this one is the one. I couldn't believe I could get this shoe, because you know, usually markdown sale you see something unique or like nothing like for daily, some like extravagant style mostly. So I was lucky to get this, because as soon as Beverly Hills opened on public markdown day, May 25th, I was waiting in front of the store, but there were like not many people. Yeah, so I could wait just 10 minutes and I could get in. But pretty much all the size is gone, but still many options were there. Yeah, so this is the one, like same as the regular price item. They pack same way, I think. Dust bag, everything is here. And this one was my favorite. It was actually not my size, like one size down. You know, the Chanel shoe comes 7, 8, 9 like this, not like 7.5. So I had to go one size down, but it fit. So I'm gonna make my feet fit in this shoe. So this is the one. Ta-da! Oh my god, espadrille. Yeah, I love this espadrille. The white color. And this one actually same espadrille but another color. Let me show you quickly. Also very nice package. I got this really in good deal. I couldn't believe. Black. Yeah. Same style but different color. I got one black, one white. So this one was my size, which was 8. Only 1 8 left. Can you believe? There were no other shoe available, regardless of any design. Yeah, so I was lucky to get this and this one. White and black. So together it was even with tax, it was like less than 1,000, like 900 something. So each one was like 40% off, supposed to be like $800-900, I guess, original price. I don't know, they didn't put like any original price here, but it became 400 something. So good deal, right? So I got really good espadrille. I'm so happy. This is it about all the so 3 more items I got, and I was happy to visit another store, but actually I realized I can't ask my salesperson SA. that I want this kind of item. Do you have more extra item? You can show me. Maybe they can send you a list. They can take picture and send you if you know your essay. So yeah, that way you can also approach. Also for public sale, even though you don't have any salesperson, you can just visit on the day and then ask any essay. You can get their maybe name card. If there's another stock coming, please let me know. I'm interested to get more items. So let me know, then they will contact you. So yeah, no worry, there will be always chance, not just one day. So that's it. So I really enjoyed this Markdown sale since it was first time for me, and then I could try 3 different store and then ask and then check their stock. So yeah, try to check all different store if you can, and if you have a good essay salesperson, they're gonna get you what you want. Problem is you don't know what kind of item is in another store, because you don't get catalog. You need to know what item is available. So maybe you can ask your essay and then make sure there's more option you can choose. Then you can choose and list down and get the item you want. Yeah, it's so easy breezy once you set up. So yeah, hope this video helped you and you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in any fashion, lifestyle in LA and luxury item, luxury brand, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and there will be more haul coming. So wait for it. See you soon. Bye.